everyone, it's Susie. Welcome back, and if you're new to my channel, Dragonfly Bees Resale Journey, welcome here. What I'm doing today is opening up a ThredUP box, rescue box, and it is a 15-piece mixed jewelry from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. So let's just dive right in and see what they sent. Come on. Okay, there's the invoice. And this box is in fact, yes, rescue box, mixed jewelry, 15 pieces. It costs $48. And with tax and shipping, it comes out to, I don't know, maybe $10 more. So, I love recycling all of this. It comes in so handy. And I also reuse their tissue paper. So here's the bag. Here are first looks, some bracelets, more bracelets. If you saw my previous video with the Goodwill Blue box, oh gosh, that was like all bracelets. That's pretty. Okay, let me take everything out and then we'll go over each piece. Be right back. Okay, I took everything out of their bags, and here it is. I did count them too, and there are 18 individual pieces in here. So let's start off with this bangle, silver tone open cuff bangle, and it's by Jules Smith. It comes in a nice dust bag, and it is marked with her initials right there. And that's how it would look. I think it's really nice. I mean, even though it's minimal, it makes quite a statement. So, Jules Smith, yeah, she's from New York. Her name is Gina Negrelli Smith, and she was a former ballet dancer and also a fashion editor. And she studied at NYU, New York University, in Greenwich Village, here in New York City. And she crafted, I would say, very bold, indie, gypsy style jewelry. And she moved to Venice Beach. She left New York. She's in California now with her husband. And they even launched a wine label, and it's called Loca Linda, which means what? Crazy beautiful in Spanish. So this one here retails for $90, and I've seen it on eBay and Poshmark and Mercari anywhere from $20 to $45. It's probably silver plated, so we have this. So let me take this measuring tool and give you a measurement here. So I would say this is about a 7. And because it's open cuff, I'm sure you can bend it a bit. But this looks to be in really amazing condition, And it comes with her dust bag. So we have this one. Very nice. Next up is another bracelet. This is a toggle bracelet. Look at this. There's 3 curb chains. And then you have this. These are acrylic beads, and they're clear with that swirly design. There's some faux pearls in the around the center bead. And this looks to be in pretty nice condition. And there is a jewelry tag. And this is by Banana Republic. So we have this. And it's substantial too in weight. So let's measure the length of this one. I would say about 7 inches approximately. So we have that. Banana Republic. Okay. Place that down. Okay, there's a bunch of earrings here. This one is glass. And there's also this very nice pearl on the bottom. And these are like a brass tone. Looking at this closer, I'm looking at the blue glass to make sure there's no damage. And this one looks good. And this one, yeah, there seems to be like a mark there. Some marks on, maybe that's, feeling it, it's not sharp. So that's okay. You know what? I think that's just a natural, when they cut the glass. But we have this pair. I think they're pretty sweet. You see the pearl? And they are hook earrings. Oh, there is some wear on the ear wire. See on top over here? So we have this pair. Next up is this, this is a faceted, double-sided teardrop hook earring. And, they have a little weight to them. There's a gold tone textured, like, bezeled frames around it. And, yeah, these are sweet. So we have that. Next up is a pair of Lauren Conrad earrings, still on the card. And they're silver tone with some, I guess, a black backdrop and even a mesh with some, they're very thin. Wow, they're very thin. Yeah, there's the back side. And they have a, they're from Kohl's. And they have a price tag of $12. So these are just brand new Lauren Conrad earrings. Next up, these are, wow, look at this ear wire, how long it is. But they're pretty nice. And these are like a peridot colored acrylic bead, faceted. There is some scratches on there. So we have this pair. Another pair of earrings. These are silver tone. And that's the design. They are on a silver tone hook wire. There's the back of them. And very beachy. Okay. These are tiny, 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 tiny little anchor post earrings, and the backs say 925 on them. Yeah, they do. So, okay, we'll test these later, but let me bring you close in so you can see what they look like. Little anchors. So, we'll test those. Some more earrings. These are hook earrings in silver tone. And what do you think these are? They're black enamel with those 3 dots. See, I looked at looking at them this way, they look like, an emoji. but then when you wear them, they're facing this way. So we have this pair, nice and clean, very nice. Next up is the ring. This is a bow with a lot of rhinestones. That's pretty. Let's see. Let's see what size you are. So this is about a 7 1/4. And I think it's really nice. All the stones are intact. The initials N, F are in there. So that that doesn't mean nickel free. I mean, if this was sterling, it is nickel free, I guess. This could be the name of the maker. I'm not sure. But I'll test it. Isn't that sweet? So we'll test that. Here's a stretch bracelet. Wow, this is pretty. The elastic is great. Still new with card. It's a J. Crew. This is a J. Crew stretch bracelet. And there's this light blue, almost like a Tiffany blue enamel back. And a navy blue on top of that in this design. And they are filled. This is filled with rhinestones. They're all there, yes. So this is a new stretch bracelet by J. Crew. Super nice. As is, I guess I can measure it. It's about a 7 1/4. Nice. It's a nice change from these ThredUP boxes, from opening a mystery box from Goodwill. Oh, look at this. This gives me a Brighton vibe. It has these faux pearl cylinders and that scroll design. This is a clamper bracelet. I see the hinge. Oh, there's the magnet. And you know what? Like I said, it does give me a Brighton vibe, but I don't see a bee or a heart. I don't see that. Okay. Let's see. If I'm a 6 3/4, this is maybe a little over a 7. Because it's oblong, it doesn't really measure up. You know, this measures round bracelets. All right, I can do it this way. I can do it this way. So, as is, I would say it's about a 7. So we have that. I like that one. This is an Alex and Ani in a matte gold tone color, expandable bracelet. It has those usual Alex and Ani charms on it right there. This one doesn't have a year on it. No. It just has a US number on there. But hanging off of this one, wow, look at that. It's beautiful. Pear shape. Feels like a crystal rhinestone. Feels like glass. And on the back of that, it says Alex and Ani. Slightly bent, but you know, overall this is in nice condition. So we have this one, and then here we have this lotus flower with, oh, these are pretty. Oh, what kind of stone is that? I don't know. They do feel cold, I think. Faceted, pear shape. It's on this faux leather cord, and it is a toggle bracelet. Let's see if it says anything. No, it doesn't. Doesn't say anything. So let's check this out. This is not magnetic, so I'll test this later on with the others. In the meantime, let me find out how long this one is and outstretched. It's I would say about 8 inches in length. So we have that one. And this one, oh, this is nice. This is one of those bracelets that you can size by pulling this up and down, kind of like a zipper. This is silver tone, and there is a rhinestone covered leaf. And it looks like everything is there. So that's great. So this is expandable. So that's really sweet. I do like that too. So what do you like so far? Anything? And this one is definitely oh wait, the chain is not attracting the magnet, but this was. Yeah. All right, we can test that too. So that's the test pile. Now for some necklaces. Yeah, this one. Look at this. This has a mother of pearl horn. That needs to be wiped off. I'm pretty sure that can come off, I hope. But look, it has this really nice brass embossed band. Bale, in fact. This is on... Okay, so this mother of pearl, these panels were placed on a wooden... Looks like wood, right? A wooden shaped horn. And then you have these beautiful faceted gray glass beads. These little donuts that are dyed howlite, and these carved they could be bone. There's some gold tone faceted bead spacers going back to that howlite, going back to the glass beads, back to this, back to that, back to this, up the neckline. And a jewelry tag. BPD. 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 Oh, Betsy Petard. Betsy Petard. Betsy Petard Designs. That's what BPD stands for. She started out, believe it or not, oh gosh, making jewelry as a hobby in her dorm room. And that was in 2006. Next thing you know, it evolved into this really thriving business. She employs over 30 women, and her jewelry is sold in boutiques all across the United States. And she's based in Georgia, Augusta, Georgia. So that's that is BPD right there. So we have this. Let me measure the length of this one for you. Colors are nice together. I think it's not, I think it's pretty. This one has a drop of, okay, it's like almost 15 inches. But then again, it's at the end of that extender. So we have this. By Betsy Petard. Petard. Pittard. Yeah. Okay, so we have that. And then next up, this is a really long necklace with a beautiful quartz druzy, and it's encased in this gold. Look at that. That's something else. And look at these faceted, like gray beads. You have this gold tone spacers and these beautiful, look at the color. Oh my goodness. I mean, this looks like Labradorite. What do you think? Doesn't it? Wow. No maker on this. There's that gold tone lobster class. I'm looking at these beads. All right. Let's this is really long too. Wow. Okay, it's so long I have to open up my tape measure because this measures 18 inches in drop up to that pendant. So yeah, I'm gonna look at this on the gem tester, and in the meantime we will go on to the next one. The last necklace in this group is this beautiful, this is also has a jewelry tag, Coralia. Coralia. If it's what I think it is, it's Coralia Leets. And this is, I believe, gold vermeil over 925. It's like on a Rolo chain, and look what's hanging off of it. Now that is a Labradorite. Did I say it right? Ah, faceted pendant. It has this glass faux pearl on the opposite side. You see how you pull it through that hoop, so you could wear it differently, you know, different ways. It is marked 925 on that bail. Let's see. See if I could show you. See if I could show you. Right there. And see, 925. And we'll test this. This necklace in total is a length of 34 inches. I saw this on eBay, and it was like $50. So yeah, we'll test this as well. Okay, I have the gem tester all powered up and ready to use. Let's test some stones. This bracelet has piqued my interest. I really wonder what these stones are. It has this beautiful blue color to it. I don't know. So, okay, let's see what this registers as. Oh. Okay, it's in the quartz amethyst citrine line. Let's try another. Let's try the other one. Oh, come on. This one is jumping to the jadeite line. All right. We know it's a stone. But I'm not sure exactly what. I mean, they're both... Now it fell to the tanzanite aqua line. Have any clue? let me know in the comments. So we have that one. Okay. Now this here, that little slider bracelet, looking at these little tiny clear crystals on that leaf, I wanted to test this one too. So let me try to grab one without making it beep, but if it does, I apologize. It's beeping. All right. Oh gosh, this one's tough. Tough to grab, that is. You know what? I'll try that later. And the ring. This ring. I wanted to see if they are glass crystal. All right. This jumped all the way to diamond. But it could be moissanite. So let me try another. It's really tough. You know what? I may try the other diamond tester with this one since it's just giving me a problem. Okay, this I know is glass, so let's make sure. Yes, that goes to glass, so we know that. This one is amazing, I have to say. Okay, this one, let's see what it registers as. Yes, it goes to quartz. So this is a clear white quartz druzy. And there's the back side. So, you know, if I do that, it goes to jadeite. All right. Loving these. This should come up as glass. Because it's like it's a feldspar. Yeah, these come up as glass. Okay, let's go for this necklace right here. This one here is the one by Betsy Petard, and these have piqued my interest. These gray ones. So let's see if they're glass or something else. Okay. Well, it passed the glass line. Sorry. So it's, what do you think this is? It's going to the garnet tourmaline iolite line. I think I'm gonna have to go to my, what is it, Fire Mountain, and try to find this stone and see what it is. If you know, let me know. Please comment below. Yeah. Okay. So anything else I want to test here? Okay, the Alex and Ani one, I said it was glass, so let's see. Yeah. This is definitely a crystal. So, all right. You know what? Okay, one more time. Bear with me, okay? Really tough. Oh. Yeah, it's going all the way to the far right. And I'm going to try this one more time. And hopefully I can get one of these gosh. Okay, now it's not. Maybe glass. Okay, moving on. Okay, next up, I took out my diamond selector, and this one, at least I have a better control holding it. So I'm going to test these, and if it is anything that we think it could be, it will blink red. It will jump to the far right. So let's try. Okay, these are diamonds, and this one, if it is glass, that indicator will just blink, and if it was acrylic, nothing would happen. This diamond selector would be silent. So okay, let's try this. Okay, you know, it's easy to hold this. You just have to press on that metal pad on the back, but it's tough to hold this because it's so small. I'll try it again. Okay, this is also going to the diamond line. So yeah, I'm gonna say that these are very tiny ones. Okay. And there you have it. Okay, let's test for some precious metal. I'm gonna scratch that toggle bracelet, the ring and the bar. And yeah, why not that lotus? So I'll take a scratch of that. So these first three marks is that. Here's those little anchor earrings. So I'll scratch that right here. And then we have this slider bracelet. Oh, this is gone. Okay. Let me try to get the chain. And yeah, maybe that little looks like a pill. So that's the third thing. So these two scratches is for that. Here's that ring, the bow. And I will scratch that over here. And then we have this that says 925 on the bail. So is it this one? No, it's not this one. Wrong necklace. It's the other one, right? Is it? Wait up. Yes, my mistake. It's actually this one because this is the bail that says 925. So let's scratch that one. And there you have it. You know what? I'm gonna scratch the chain. Let me find the end and get the those last links. Okay. Wow. Okay, so 3 scratches are the toggle. Earring is this one. Slider, bracelet are these 2. The ring is this. And the necklace is the last 2 scratches. Okay, so that is the order. Here are the scratches. Okay, so let's take the 18 karat acid solution. I will drop it on each scratch. And let the magic begin. Okay, what do we see? What do we see? Alrighty. It looks like this one is not sterling. This anchor earring is, there's that bright blue. This one is not. This one, not quite, but this one is definitely is the bail, not so much the chain. So it's the bail. So as you can see, these two super bright. So there you have it. Okay, everyone, that's a wrap on this ThredUP 15-piece mixed jewelry rescue box. What you think of it? I am quite pleased. So, if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed the content, please give me a thumbs up. And if there's anything you'd like to purchase, email me at dragonflybees@gmail.com. The instructions for purchasing are in the beginning of my video after my introduction, and I include them below in the description box, always. So check that out. And if there's anything that may have sold, I will create a list and include it in the comments below the video. It'll be a pinned comment, so that means it's always going to be the first comment that you see. So, yeah, tell me what your favorites were. Comment below. I love to read your comments. And thanks, everyone, for spending some time with me today. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.